working, I'm vibing, I'm chilling, I'm good. Boy, you're so fine, and that's no doubt. When it comes to good taste, I know what I'm talking about. I dig your style, dig your style, the way you flow.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Shauna, back up in this joint with another video. Yep. So this video is going to be about some new iPhone cases that I got. So I'm going to be unboxing and sharing some new iPhone cases with you guys. So I received these cases from Momo. That's what the company is called, MomoCase.com. So they have a lot of cases for different types of phones, and it's mainly a lot of really girly type of designs, like really girly and kind of artsy like. So I got the iPhone 7 Plus, but it says it fits the iPhone 8 Plus, 7 Plus, 6S Plus, and 6 Plus. But they have cases for the iPhone 10 also, and they have Android cases also. So yeah, it says art, design, and protective case. It's drop test certified for 6 feet. Quality tested, more fun, more personal, create your own style. It says ultra slim design, anti-scratch coating, raised shock absorbent bumper. So alright, so let's open them and see how they look. Alright, so this is my phone right now. It's the iPhone 7 Plus, and I did an unboxing video like a year ago. But this is the case that I have on it now. This is just a case. I think it's a Kendall Kylie case that I got at Walmart for like $5, and I also have one of those pop, what is it called? Pop socket, pop, lock and drop it. Pop. I don't know, what is it called again? The pop thing. But yeah, I think this was also like a couple dollars at Walmart, but it matched the case because it has like gold on it. Okay, and my phone is in rose gold. I also have a mirror screen protector on it. The mirror kind. See? Alright, so this first case I'm gonna show you is this, it kind of looks like a nice watercolor painting. It has a deer with some flowers and like background. I thought this looked really nice, pretty. It has some purple in it right there, like the purple flower. So that's why I chose it. So let's see what it looks like. Ooh. Ooh. Really nice. So this is how it comes. Ooh, it's stuck. It just has this little white thing in it. I guess you can see the design better. Yeah, so I like that it's like see-through and you'll be able to see the Apple logo. So I like cases that kind of have a see-through design where you can see the Apple logo. And a lot of their cases are like that. So this is what it looks like on the phone. I like that. It looks really pretty and cool. And it looks nice over the rose gold. It matches. You see part of the Apple logo, but yeah, it really looks pretty on the rose gold. You can see. So I kind of like see-through cases. Like I like cute cases with cute designs, but then at the same time, sometimes I like the case that is see-through or partly see-through, so you can see like the actual iPhone. Like, because then it's like I got a rose gold iPhone for a reason, because I like the way the rose gold iPhone looks. So sometimes I like a clear case, or if I want a cute design, I can get one that has see-through or parts of it are see-through or something. But yeah, this is really pretty. So you can still see that's rose gold. Yeah, it'll look good on any cover. Like, yeah, so you can actually feel it. Like you can feel the texture of the design, but it's like, I don't know, the way it's made good. Like it's not gonna scratch off. You could tell that it's good quality the way it's on there, but yeah, it looks good and the colors look all vibrant. It looks like a really nice, pretty watercolor painting. Yeah, and the case itself, it does seem pretty protective. Like it's pretty sturdy. It's not like too, like, especially the back. And it has a little bit of bumper around the edges to protect it if you drop it. Like it rises up a little bit. It's a little bit softer, like rubbery on the sides, and then this, the back is like more sturdy, like harder plastic. So yeah, it seems pretty good quality. Okay, so the next case I'll open is this one. It has these eyes on it, like it's winking. So this is what it looks like. It's the same as the other one as far as the material. It's very sturdy. It's clear. Nice hard plastic. Sides are a little bit flexible. That's cute. So yeah, I like that. I'll definitely be rocking these on my phone. Like, these are some good quality cases and they're cute. I really like the design. The next case I'll open is this one. It has these purple flowers on it. Again, this one looks like a nice watercolor painting. And of course, I chose this one because it has purple flowers. So, you know, I like something with purple on it. Pretty. Okay, so here's this one. You can feel the texture. You can see the Apple logo. It looks nice on the rose gold. With the purple over the nice rose gold. I like it. Okay, so this is another one in the scent. This one has nice red flowers on it. Let's see. The thing is, they let me pick out 4 cases, but they sent me 6. So they actually threw in 2 extra cases. So this is one of the extra ones that they sent me. You know, one of the ones that I didn't pick out. Yeah, so far the first 3 I picked out. The first 3 that I showed so far I picked out. Okay, so this one kind of has a matte texture. Like it's all just like, I don't know, but it looks like a watercolor painting. I mean, so far the ones that have like the flowers on them seem to look like a watercolor painting, but I mean it's pretty, you know, like the colors are like nice and stuff. Now this one is not see-through, but you know, it's still a nice case. Vibrant, pretty flowers. It looks pretty, right? These cases are pretty easy to get on and off. Like there's not too much of a struggle. I mean, they're pretty sturdy on there. So I mean, when it's on there, it's hugging the case. Like it's not gonna easily come off, but it's not like you're gonna break anything trying to get it off though. I think this one is another one that they threw in, one of the extra ones. This one says "Be Mine," so this is definitely a girly case. I mean, so far, I mean, pretty much all the cases that I have are girly. So I think this website, I would say, is targeted towards girls or just anybody who's into very feminine, girly but kind of like artsy looking designs. So this one is definitely a see-through case. So the back, it feels like kind of has like this like matte like texture, and you can also feel the texture of the design. But yeah, that looks pretty on the rose gold, doesn't it? So this one is very girly and very flirty. Be Mine. It looks more like a Valentine's Day type of case. Rock it on Valentine's Day. But I mean, of course, you could rock it anytime, just because. But yeah, I like it. Like the lips. Those pouty lips. And that cat eye. Lashes. Very feminine, very girly. But yeah, it does look pretty, I think, on the rose gold. Alright, so this is the last case, the 6th case, and this one is one of the ones that I picked out. This one is in a purple case. I mean, like the box is purple. So I'm not sure why. The rest of them were in these red and white boxes, but this one is in like a shiny purple case. So I don't know if that means anything, but oh, and it opens different. Ooh, that's a nicer box. I don't know if it means it's like one of their newer cases or like a special edition, or it doesn't really say. But yeah, this one, it just slides out. It has little fabric tabs to pull it out, and it has a design all over it and all nice. I like this box. The packaging of this one. It comes very pretty, and you know I like purple, so hey. Okay, so this one says something on the back side. It says, "Thank you for staying stylish and protected with Momo. Hashtag my Momo case." And their Instagram, their social media is shop Momo case. So I'll have all that in the description. Okay, so this one, yeah, so this is one of the ones I picked out because I like, I don't know, you know, I like the girly lips, you know, that, you know, lip prints. Looks like pink and red lipstick prints, lip prints. Then it says love in the middle with some arrows crossed. But I don't know, I just like this one, thought it was cute. And you know, like lip glosses, lip products are like my favorite type of makeup product. I'm a lipping person, so I like the lip prints because I like my lips to be colored. So I don't know. Okay, so this is what it looks like on the phone. Oh yeah, and it has a nice texture. You could feel it. You can feel the texture, but like it's designed here good. Like it's not gonna just come off. Like these are good quality cases. So, and it says XOXO Momo at the bottom, if you can see. That's cute. But yeah, I like this. But yeah, check out their website. They have all kinds of cute designs. They have a lot of other ones with, like, you know, if you're into makeup and really girly stuff, they do have other cute designs, like with little like different like makeup type of like girly things on there, like lipsticks and brushes and all that. And it looks like watercolor paintings, and you know, they have all kinds of stuff. So they have all kinds of different flower designs, and you know, yeah, and I like that it's see-through, so you can see the rose gold color in the background. Yeah, I like this. Like, it makes me want to have, well, I painted my nails, but yeah, it makes me want to have like some nice cute pink nails with it. You know, so when I'm holding my case, you know, like my hands need to look pretty too. You know, got my rings on, you know, gotta have my nails did. Maybe gotta have on some fake nails and just look pretty. Yeah, so I'm definitely gonna be rocking these cases. Oh yeah. Alright, so that's all the cases that I got. Yeah, so I like how they're all artsy and girly and, you know, like look like these nice watercolor designs and stuff. So go check out their website. It's momocase.com. Their social media is shop Momo Case. So I have all the info in the description. Oh, and I have a discount code, so make sure you also check the description for that. Yes, leave some comments below. Let me know which case you like the best. Which one do you like the best? And yeah, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not subscribed. And I'll be back with another video. Bye. Peace.
Bitches bad and bullshit. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. My bitch is bad and bullshit. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. With the ruler, diamond cooler. This a rolling.